Hello students, can you prove this beautiful trigonometric identity in under 5 minutes? Stay till the end as we solve it step by step using simple half angle formulas. So see the video till the end. Taking LHS, this that is square root 2 plus square root 2 plus square root 2 plus 2 cos 8x, taking 2 common from this whole. So the next step is square root 2 plus square root 2 plus taking 2 common from here. When we take 2 common, within bracket there will be 1 plus cos 8x. By using half formula, that 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x upon 2. So this way 1 plus cos 8x can be written as 2 cos 2 cos square 8x upon 2. Now substituting the value here, so instead of 1 plus cos 8x we shall write 2 cos square 8x upon 2, means that 2 cos square 4x. So writing here, our next step will be two plus root 2. This can be written as 2 square root 2 plus square root 2 plus square root. This can be written as 2 cos square 4x. So 2 to the 4. Further, taking 4 cos square 4x out of the square root, so that will become 2 cos 4x. 2 cos 4x. Now again applying the same formula, taking 2 common again, 2 plus taking 2 common from here, so that will become 2 within bracket 1 plus cos 4x. Again applying the same formula, 1 plus cos 4x is equal to, that is 2 plus square root 2 into, this can be written as 2 cos square 4x upon 2 means 2x. This can be written as 2 to the 4 cos square 2x. Again taking the square root of this number, so that will become a square root 2 plus 2 cos 2x. Again taking 2 common, so within bracket 1 plus cos 2x. Applying again the formula, 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 2 to the 4, taking the square root of this. So that will become 2 cos x, which is RHS. Exactly, I could complete it within 5 minutes. So in this solution, if this solution helped you to understand the concept, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my Scholars Academy. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in the next mathematics lesson on tomorrow. Thank you for watching my Scholars Academy.